Hello, I will start the presentation of the 5th grade Isangjun graduation design. The topic of my graduation is Hajong Art Museum extension plan. First, I will present the first topic and the site selection. Second, site analysis. Third, concept and best process. First, extension plan. Fifth, floor plan and main shot. This is the first topic and site selection. My site is Hajong Museum of Art, branch of Gwangju City Museum of Art. The total area is 1,007,820 square meters. It used to be used as a presidential accommodation, but now it is an art museum that provides a wide range of cultural facilities. The problem with the site is that unlike the existing environment, apartments are being built around it, resulting in an active population inflow, resulting in a lack of cultural space. Also, it is located on a slope and lacks visual recognition. Site analysis. It's a view of the sun's altitude and the view from the inside of the site. The layout of the lighthouse, frontally formed, and the height state of the surrounding buildings. You can see site located at the top of the lantern, and you can see the tall buildings on the left and the low-rise houses in contrast. Overall, it is the current stage of movement related to the site. We will analyze this and plan the direction of the movement and plan the space based on it. This is the traffic line. You can see a parking plan on the ground circulating from the inside. I express the current green area and the amount of noise coming from high and low floors. As a concept, we want to provide a continuous space that intersects the outside and inside, not just the load of the passageway. The following is the scaffold process. Let's look at the process of the final plan from the existing Hajong Museum art model. First, I formed a space and add space. We formed a slope on the side of the roof and formed a rooftop left area using the site. Also, we created an open space to form a three-dimensional space and finally designed the garden through movement analysis. It's an extension plan. There is a large park now. However, there was not enough space inside to enjoy culture. Accordingly, we organized the exhibition space. Also, some empty spaces were formed in solid space from vertical lines of movement. Compared to solid space, we incorporated various activities by providing void space with freedom. We have introduced an element that connects mass and mass so that the movement of the museum can lead to 1 hour. In the exhibition space, permanent exhibition, planning, and special exhibition were planned separately. We also placed a community hall, a buffer space, in the middle. The art museum formed an open space because it needs the load of the place of public nature. Rooftop slope gave them a lure as a resting place, not just an aesthetic element. This arrangement was formed through the above process. The movement line was formed so that people coming from the underground and people coming from the ground could easily enjoy the cultural space. And the sequential composition of the exhibition was proposed according to the movement line. Lastly, this is the main feature of my art museum plan that harmonized with the surrounding area. And model, thank you.